Hello, welcome to our channel once again. I sincerely want to appreciate you for constantly watching our videos. Today I'm unveiling a dual solar powered camera. This camera is dual lens that has double camera. One is fixed while the other one is flexible. When I mean the flexible, I mean the one that can rotate. It can actually turn around and still come back to its normal position. Then we equally have a part of it that gives you a constant monitoring or recording of the activities that is happening at a particular spot where the camera is situated or mounted. This camera has features which in this video, as an installer, you are meant to learn how it is being installed. You learn how it is going to be configured. You see it working in actions and also see the things that is meant for it to be done. What are the features of this camera? Like I said, that it is a dual lens camera and it is measured in megapixel. We have 2MP, 5MP, 4MP as the case may be, but this particular one is actually a 5MP camera. So the megapixel determines the clarity and also how far or the range it can cover. So I unveiled this camera in my office trying to actually run the configuration for my clients. Here we have a security challenges that everyone needs to have this, both in the office, in your hotel, in your warehouse, in your business center, anywhere you are that you need to monitor your environment. This camera is precisely made for you. You cannot be using solar camera and also be complaining of theft or loss of properties or even loss of necessary things that you have in your environment. This camera monitors, record, stores and equally give you a room for playback. So how is this friendly to everyone, and why is it important to everyone that needs a proper security in his house? First, you should know that it is actually a mobile app camera. Yes, it has applications that it is adaptable to with our phones or even our iPad, including your laptop. So you can actually use your mobile app to control this. So what is the mobile app for the camera? The app for the camera is U-Box. We have the ones that we can use V380, but this precisely is a U-Box app. So just watch me as I assemble the camera and also start the configurations. So like I always tell you that there are things that must be in place for it to go on internet. That is, for you to access it online, there are things you must have in the camera for it to go online, and that is why this camera comes with SIM card, so you can sub it with your data subscriptions and enjoy it online. Then it equally have memory card. What is the memory card for? The external memory card is actually inserted inside the camera to enable it store all the recorded activities within the environment. Perhaps you are unable to access it any moment in your phone. You can equally bring out the memory card from the camera and play all the activities that happened in your absence. So in the same way, we equally have this camera that you can cloud it and ensure that the cloud works. So when I mean clouding, it means when you take it to the cloud, the cyberspace will keep it for you where you cannot lose anything, like the activity is recorded again. You can see the camera just as it is. I've been able to position it by assembling it the way it should. So right now I will insert the SIM card and the memory card. So this camera, you see, from my explanation you can see how it is, and inserting this will give us a privilege of knowing how it works. Perhaps you are just coming new to this channel. Kindly click on the subscription button, subscribe, then like, comment, share, and equally stay connected to us as we build the community of solving problems of insecurity and also power instability using solar energy precisely. So if you are an installer, an end user, or someone that wants to learn how to train others, this channel is for you. Then if you are a home user that needs something to monitor your environment, like your hotel, your business center, your project sites, this video is equally for you. If you are a developer, probably in real estate, or you are trying to run a community development for your people, you want to monitor the projects going on in the sites, this video is for you. Right now I am going to power the camera and you will see how it functions. This is the code. As I slot in, the indicator will come on, and this indicator is in the front. As you can see, I have powered it. This is the adjustable. The one I'm turning on is the adjustable one, whereas the one in the front is the fixed camera. So I'm going to show you how it works. If you are just watching, keep observing and you see every details. I've slotted the SIM card. When you bring the SIM card, first of all, you have to slot in the SIM, get the phone number, subscribe it with your data. You see my subscription here. I want to sub the SIM card first. As a first step, you assemble the camera first, then you slot in the SIM card by bringing out the phone numbers from the SIM pack or confirming. But before you slot in the SIM card, you must ensure that you confirm the number and confirm that there is data in it. Then after that, you can now put data. If there is no data, remember, this camera can actually use any network: MTN, Airtel, Glo, Etisalat. All these networks can equally function properly in the camera, but there are conditions that you must meet. First, you must consider the environment to know the kind of network that is accessible to the environment. For instance, in our areas, we know that MTN is everywhere you go, so MTN is always available. That is why I choose to use MTN network and MTN SIM card as well. Looking at this, you can see the port for slotting in the SIM card. Perhaps you want to do this and it doesn't work. What you do is you use your picker. This is my picker. Slot it with your picker. But before you slot, you must ensure that you monitor and observe the right position. There are ways you put it and it will not work, But look at this. Once this is done, you can see I've slotted the SIM card. Then to confirm whether it is working properly, you have to push it in and push it out back. You see, now I'm going to slot in the memory card as well. Can you see? You can see the slots. Then the next point is to download the app. Remember, the camera is on now, and that is why you can see the blue LED displaying. Download the app, the U-Box, but because I have the app already on my phone, all I'm going to do is to scan the barcode. You see, the moment it captures it, I'm taking this time so that you observe the things you can encounter challenges. So, but you need to be patient. Good, it is captured. And we now ask you to add the device. Remember, it is 4G device. You give it a name, like I'm typing the name of the owner of this camera now. I'm configuring it with his name. So this is it. You see it, Mr. Chimeze Akwike. Now the camera will load. Good, it is now said successful. You can see the camera. Something like a house will come into your phone. As it comes like this, what do? You click it because it is already online. So my boy is taking it out now so that I can view a different environment. Now I will open my phone. You touch it like this. Just touch the house. Good. Allow it to load. When it finished loading, you see, this is the camera. Bring in your camera closer so that they will see it from the phone. So this is it from the phone. You can see the activities that is happening around over there. So right now the camera is properly installed. If you look at the phone, you can see that it is divided into two segments. So the segment there is one is the fix, the second one is the rotating type. So the up is fixed. The up is fixed. The up is fixed, then the down is for the rotation. So you can see the camera. If I want to watch one side of it, I can just click one. You see, you can see the camera. You can see someone walking. The fixed one is recording, then the second one is the rotating one. This is the way it works exactly. I'm sure you like what you are seeing. Please kindly subscribe and equally follow our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Let's keep building the community where every problem of insecurity and power instability is being solved. Exactly. So we can set everything we need from the camera. So this is how it actually works. Whenever you want to gain something from the camera, you see, can you see people there? This is how the camera works. Thank you for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate you for joining this this. So you can try this on your own. Give me feedback, drop your questions. Probably you need a coaching, or you need someone to assist you in running your installations. Don't forget that I'm always available to give you answers to your questions. Drop it on the comment section, or you can equally mail me on this so we can handle it. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you.